Good day, I am Padilla Allysa from 3CRA821. So today, I discuss the forensic drug analysis. So before we start, we have the two lesson objectives. First is define and discuss the physiology of drugs, drug tests, and specimen tempering. So second is differentiate qualitative and quantitative analysis of drug specimen. So, the next topic is drug analysis. So, sa drug analysis, isang pag-aaral ng mga siyentipiko tungkol sa drug. So, dito, pinag-aaralan nila yung mga iba't ibang uri ng drugs at kung paano ito ginagamit isa-isa. So, ang drugs ay ginagamit at napaka-importante lalo na sa mga crime investigations. For example, sa mga rape cases. So, tinitingnan ng isang siyentipiko na kung ang suspect ay gumagamit ng drugs, kaya ito yung nagiging sanhi kung bakit siya nagkaroon ng rape cases. So, dito examine siya at kapag na-confirm, isa nga siya sa mga user ng mga drugs. So, the first is physiology of drugs. The type of drug you take and the context of your drug use. These factors are connected and can be separated. They influence your reasons for using drug and the effects it will have on you. We need to understand that there are different levels of drug use with different types of problems. So, dito sa stage na to, meron tayong mga stages of drug use. So, first dito is experimental use. Most young people try drugs for the first time as the experiment, usually because of their friends are doing it. So, sa recreational drug use, some people continue to use drugs in order to have fun. This is usually a regular thing, such every weekend. So, next is dependent drug use. If you use drugs for a long time or use them heavily, you may no longer be able to control your use. So, the last is abstainers. An abstainer is someone who does not take any drugs or someone who has been off drugs for a long time and does not have to use them again. Next is drug test. So, a drug test looks for the presence of one or more illegal or prescription drugs in your urine, blood, saliva, hair, or sweat. Urine testing is the most common type of drugs screening. Drugs screening is used to find out whether or not a person has taken a particular drug or drugs it be used for employment, sports organization, legal or forensic purposes, and monitoring opioid use. So, sa drug test, ito yung mga pagtitest sa mga drug users or pinaghihinala ang drug users. So, dito, kumukuha ng mga blood, saliva, o urine. But, ang kadalasan kasing ginagamit nila is urine and blood. So, ang pinakamabisa talagang pag-take or pagkuha ng drug test is dun sa mga hibla ng buhok. Bakit? Kasi nga, kukuha lang ng 70 to 100 strands ng buhok galing sa'yo. So, kapag ikaw ay gumamit last 3 months ago, is mako-confirm kung ikaw pa rin ay drug user. So, ang pinakamaganda talagang gawin na drug test is yung buhok or strand ng buhok. So, next is specimen tempering. Fearing a positive result with the significant consequences, participants often willing to go to great lengths towards drug test. They may embrace creative techniques or attempts to foil the result with the new funk technology. Drug test tempering, also known as adulteration, refers to the ingestion of the foreign substance or the addition of foreign materials to testing specimen to prevent drug use detection. So, para siyang same sa drug test, tinetest din kung ikaw ay drug user sa mga pinaghihinalaang din na drug user or drug addicted. So next is, what is the difference between qualitative and quantitative analysis of drug specimen? So qualitative test tells you the particular substance or analyte is present in the specimen. A quantitative test tells you how much the quantity of an analyte is present. After the presence of an analyte has been established, which may involve the second confirmatory test, the amount of analyte present in the sample then may be measured. For example, You could test for the presence of alcohol in the blood, qualitative, and check for the actual blood alcohol level, which is the quantitative. That's all for the day. Thank you and God bless.